You done so good. Hey, baby.
Love you.
You've had a long journey already. How long was you in that refrigerator?
I'm cold. We'll name him Frosty the Ducky.
Thing.
Frosty the Ducky, a very hard life. Came from the refrigerator.
There he goes. He's doing it. He's doing it.
Come on, bro. There he is.
You did it.
It was rough.
I'm gonna cry.
I know.
He is not wanting to move. He's like, this has been rough.
Yes.
So now that it's fully hatched,
Yes.
the first ever duckling that ever hatched from your hand
In my hand. I've never seen one, much less had a hatch in my hand.
is the Buff.
Is it really? I want to keep it. I want to keep. He's like, can you please get the rest of this off of me?
Guys, I could really use some help. Can you stop staring at me and do something?
I don't think
I've had a day.
I don't think we can we? No.
Oh.
But now
Is
that
it
he's
funny that I think a duck is beautiful?
no.
It's a white one.
Yep.
Sweet.
It's a bug.
Look how sweet.
I am definitely gonna hold it
He
tomorrow.
probably does need to go in the incubator.
Yeah, let's get you in there. Look, he's a little baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm gonna step on him.
I'm gonna get mine.
I think he's imprinted on you.
Hey.